series and parallel continued. So question number 4. Calculate equivalent resistance between points A and B. B 2 ohms, 15 ohms, A 8 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms, 40 ohms, 10 ohms, 10 ohms. So series resistance, first is these two are in series, these two are in series, these two are also in series. So RS equal to 15 plus 10, that is 25 ohms. RS equal to 40 plus 10, that is 50 ohms, and RS equal to 20 plus 30, that is 50 ohms. This is 2, then this is 20, 25, this is 50, 8 ohms and 50 ohms. So between these 3 points, naming A and B, this is, so this is C, this is A, this is D, this is C, so this is also C, this is D, so this is also D. So 25, 50 and 50 are connected between points C and D. So we say that they are in parallel. So our parallel inverse equal to 50 inverse plus 25 inverse plus 50 inverse, which is 12.5. So then next circuit will be 2 ohms, 12.5 and 8. A terminal, B terminal, all these three are connected in series. So RS equal to 2 plus 12.5 plus 8, which is 22.5 ohms. Next is question number 5. Question 5 is find current from 30 volt battery. Find the current from 30 volt battery. This is 2, this is also 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 1. This battery is having 30 volt of voltage. So first let's check if there are any resistors in series. These two are in series. So RS equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4 ohms. Go step by step so that there is no complication. So we say that this is 4 ohms and even this is 4 ohms. This is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, and this one is 1. battery is 30 volts. Then these two are in parallel. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is 2 upon 4. So R parallel is 2 ohms. So again, draw the equivalent circuit. What do I get? I get this as 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is 30 volts. Now this 2 and 1 are in series. So 2 plus 1, RS equal to 2 plus 1. So RS equal to 3 ohms. RS equal to 3 ohms. Again, draw the equivalent. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Battery of 30 volts, 30 volts. Then these 3 and 3 are in parallel. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. So R parallel is 3 by 2, which is 1.5 ohms. So this will also be 1.5 ohms. So this will be like this. 2, 2, 1, 2, and this will be 1.5. This is 30 volts power supply. Now 2 and 1.5 are in series. So I say here 2 plus 1.5, which is equal to 2.5 ohms. So 2.5 ohms. So my equivalent will be like this. 2, 2, 1 and 2.5. Okay. Sorry, this is 3.5. So 3.5. Now 3.5 and 2 are in parallel. So I say 2 inverse plus 3.5 inverse equal to R inverse. So when I put this, I get it as 1.27 ohms. Okay. So I will write here equivalent equal to 2.27. No, sorry. This is battery of 30 volt. See, I'm going step by step. Then again, 2.27 and 1. And this is 30 volt. Now 1.27 and 1 are in series. So 1 plus 1.27 is 2.27 ohms. So equivalent circuit will be like this. 2.27 and 30 volt. Now 2 and 2.27 are in parallel. So 2.27 inverse plus 2 inverse equal to R inverse. So you get R equal to 1.06 ohms. So we know that V equal to IR. So we have to find your I. So I is equal to V by R. Voltage in parallel is constant. Constant voltage in parallel circuit. In parallel circuit. So voltage through 2 ohms will be equal to the voltage through 2.27 ohms. So voltage is 30, resistance is 1.06. Answer is 28.30 ohms. Next is question number 6. Calculate the equivalent resistance between point A and B. 4 ohms, 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 4 ohms, 8, this is 4, this is 8, this is 4, and this is also 4. So first find out whether there are any resistors in series. This 4 and 4 are in series. So I say RS equal to 4 plus 4, that is 8 ohms. Now this 8 ohms with this 8 ohm will come in parallel. So I write 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 equal to 2 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 4. So RP equal to 4 ohms. Now the 4 ohms and this 4 ohms will come in series. So I say 4 plus 4, which is 8 ohms. Again 8 and 8 are in, this 8 and this 8 are in parallel. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 2 by 8, 4. So our parallel is 4 ohms. Again 4 and 4 are in series. So 4 plus 4 is 8 ohms. Again the 8 and 8 are in parallel. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 2 by 8. So our parallel is 4 ohms. Now what is remaining is a 4 ohm, another 4 ohm, one more 4 ohm. So 2 4 ohms are in series. So 4 plus 4 is 8. This 8 ohm is in parallel, with the 4 ohms. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 into 2. 3 by 8, which is 8 by 3, which is 2.67 ohms. This is the final answer.